If you've been wondering how to upload a zip file in Claude, here's the important answer right away. Claude does not currently support direct zip file uploads, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround that takes just a minute, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, find a zip file on your computer. This is the compressed file you want to send to Claude. Since Claude can't open zip files directly, the first thing you need to do is extract the contents. If you're on Windows, right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. A window will pop up asking where you want the files to go. You can keep the default folder or choose a new location, then click Extract. If you're on a Mac, the process is even easier. Just double-click the zip file and your Mac will automatically unzip it into a folder. Once the extraction is complete, open that folder and review the files inside. You'll usually see PDFs, images, text files, code files, Word documents, CSV files, or other supported file types. That's the key part, because Claude can work with those individual files directly. Now go to Claude and start a new chat or open an existing one. Look for the upload or attach file option, and instead of selecting the zip file, choose the extracted files one by one, or select multiple supported files at the same time if Claude allows it in your account. Upload the files you actually want Claude to read, summarize, analyze, or help you with. For example, if your zip file contains documents, upload the PDFs or Word docs. If it contains code, upload the code files. If it contains spreadsheets or data, upload the CSVs. If it contains images, upload those image files directly. This is the best workaround because Claude can process the actual content, not the compressed zip container itself. If you don't see the file type you need, make sure it's extracted properly and saved in a supported format. Also remember that uploading smaller groups of files can make it easier for Claude to understand and respond accurately. So the main process is simple. Unzip the zip file first, then upload the individual supported files to Claude. That's the fastest and safest way to get your files into the chat. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe because I post easy tutorials that save you time every week. And that's it. Now you know how to handle zip files with Claude, even though direct zip uploads aren't supported yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.